Hi everyone. If your Psiphon Pro VPN is not connecting, keeps loading, or gets stuck on connecting, this video may help. First, open Psiphon Pro and go to Settings. As you can see, the settings inside the app, like Tunnel All Apps, HTTP Proxy, or Personal Pairing, usually don't fix the connection problem for most users. Now go back to your home screen. Long press on Psiphon Pro and tap App Info. Scroll down and tap Force Stop. Then open Storage and tap Clear Cache. If the problem still continues, you can also try Clear Data, but remember this will reset the app's settings. Now open Psiphon Pro again and try connecting. For many users, this refreshes the app and may solve temporary connection issues. If it still doesn't connect, the problem could be due to your internet connection, server issues, or your network provider blocking the service. That's it for this video. If it helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more Android troubleshooting videos.